First of all, open Chrome browser and type pinterest.com and hit enter. This should open pinterest.com, but instead Chrome is redirecting to local version of Pinterest and it's returning an error that says this site can't be reached. What happened? Is pinterest.com down? Why Pinterest is not working in Chrome? Let's try with Safari web browser. Again, Safari is also redirecting to local version of Pinterest, which is in.pinterest.com. Safari can't open the page. But wait, there is a workaround to fix Pinterest.com not working error in Chrome and other web browser. Hey everyone, I am Rahul from TechReviewPro.com, and in this video you will learn how to solve Pinterest.com not working error in Chrome and other web browser. But before we proceed, let me tell you we have an evergreen giveaway running on this channel. So make sure you watch until the end of this video to find more information about how you can participate and win amazing gifts. Okay, let's start. First of all, go to google.com and search for public DNS. Note down the both public DNS values. Now open System Preferences on your Mac and click on Network. This will open Network Preferences on your Mac. Now click on Advanced button and this will open various network settings. On the next screen, click on the DNS tab and add the public DNS you noted earlier. To add a new DNS, you need to tap on plus button from bottom of the DNS servers column. Now enter the first DNS value. After you put the first DNS value, click on the plus button again and enter the second DNS value. Once you enter the both values, click OK and then apply to save changes. That's it. Now go to the browser again and refresh the web page. Now Pinterest is working in Chrome. Let's test in Safari. Yes, Pinterest is working. So that's how you can fix Pinterest not working error on Mac. The process of fixing Pinterest not working error on Windows is similar. All you have to do is add this public DNS in Internet Protocol. To do so, right-click on network icon located in the right corner of taskbar and choose Open Network and Internet Settings. This will open Network and Internet Settings. Now click on Network and Sharing Center and on the next screen choose your Wi-Fi network. This will open a pop-up with your network status. Now click on Properties and this will show you a list of items your network is using. Here you need to select Internet Protocol version 4 and click on Properties. Now check the bubble next to use the following DNS server addresses and enter the value for preferred DNS server and alternate DNS server and click OK. Finally close it and retry opening Pinterest in your browser. And as you can see, Pinterest is working on your computer now. Hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like button and share with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to TechReviewPro channel because we regularly bring cool tips, tricks and reviews related to technology. Also, don't forget to follow the first link in the description below to find more information about giveaway and how you can participate to win amazing gifts. Thanks for watching. This is Rahul signing off and I'll see you in the next video.